Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve the super easiest and important string problem from the LeetCode. Problem number 1108, defining an IP address. So what the question tell us? The problem statement that we are given valid IP address as a string. Your task is simple. Replace this dot with this bracket dot. So how can we do that? So let's create a new string. Why a new string? We can also modify the same string, but modifying a same string can be a bit complicated and we can counter this many problems. So keep it simple, we create a new string. So after creating a new string, we traverse through each character. Replace only when needed. Basically, if character is equal to dot, then we replace it with this one. So let's see the approach step by step. Create an empty string, loop through each character of the address, check whether if character dot is added, else the character is add the character as it is. So let's go to the question and write the code. So as we start, we need our approach is to make an empty string. So start with creating an empty string str. After creating an empty string, we run a loop character address. So we are traversing. So we write if condition if chr counters equal to. So here we have taken a, single commas because we always write a character in a single comma. If this, then chr should, sorry, str here we return the string. So after writing the code, let's run it. Here you can see we have passed all the test cases. So let's submit it and dry run the full code. Here the code is submitted successfully. Let's do a simple dry run on first example. So here we can take a random example, not from this, that if we have string one nine 2.168. Let's save it. We are taking string of value 192, 192.168 dot 0.1, 0.1. So this is Sorry for the. This is our IP address. So according to the code, if we uh, traverse each character, this is the character one, this is character two, this is character three, and this is character four. Each in separate characters. So when a code runs, loop runs, and if it found if our loop runs and counter this will convert this to this and add it to string as we have written here this. Else, if not, it normally add this string to the our str and we return here we have returned the string. This is how the code is running. So let's talk about the approach. This approach is very simple and readable. On only one pass only O(n) times. So no extra complex problems. Perfect for interview when clarity matters. There are multiple approaches for solving this question. Why not the other approaches we have used? So using the replace, one of the method is replace again and again. The multiple operation we have to do. We have less control on the code and slightly inefficient. So modifying the original string, as I have told earlier, it risks index shifting issue and more complex than needed. So, so the best approach is here. Simple loop, string building. It is clean and efficient and easy to explain. So, if this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment your next problem. And let's keep coding. Thank you for watching.